Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a video of a beach day. So let's get started. So I was looking through my old raw videos and some of the videos that I had started editing and hadn't finished. And one of the ones that I had was this beach day that I had with a couple of friends about a year ago, and I started editing it and hadn't finished. So I just kind of finished it off, and now I'm adding the intro and the outro because I forgot to film that day. So here you go.
I'm trying very hard not to laugh out loud here. I have multiple times, yeah. I've gone multiple. Mostly like the adventures because they're the like.
I don't like the idea of being on water.
I was fine the first time I went on a cruise. Second and third time I ended up having like actual seasickness. I went to Nassau. I went to Atlantis on my cruise. We stopped in Atlantis and we did a day pack. Yeah, we did a day pass at the park and the beach. It was really nice. Yeah. It has a hotel, has like a water park. It has its own like beach. It's really nice.
It's got that like it looks kind of like a pyramid thing, and it's like a drop.
It's a drop. I would never gone. It's like I love what is it? Roller coasters, and I'm the one who like does the weird random with my dad in my house. Like my family won't do it. It was me, him, and my uncle who unfortunately passed away. So now it's me and him. And we had looked at it online, and we're like, yeah, sure, let's do it. It seems fun. I got there, and I saw that. I'm like, I ain't doing that.
Is it really steep?
It is so steep. It is tall and steep as hell. I'm like, I had done a smaller version. No, so I had done a smaller version in the water park I was telling you of, that hotel in Puerto Rico. They have something like that, but it's a lot smaller. It's a lot cheaper. Of course, it's not like Atlantis style. But I had done it, and at one point, I did it like 4 or 5 times, but the last time there was a lot of wind, and the pressure going down, I felt like I was going to fly off, so I got scared. So then, having that, I think I had done that like maybe a year before, and then going to Atlanta and seeing how that was like 2 times as tall and steeper, I'm like, yeah, no, we're not doing this. Like, if you want to do it, go for it, but I ain't doing it. And he was like, no, if you're not doing it, I'm not doing it. So we ended up not going on that one. Theme park, all the way. Theme park, all the way. I wish my school is bad. Oh. I wish. You should just tick down all the Six Flags you've been to and go to the ones you haven't gone to. I'll take it. I wish my school or my church did something as fun. Oh no, I love the big ones. Yeah, that's the thing. When you're riding a roller coaster, don't think that. Just ride it. Just go for the ride.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button so I know you like videos like this. Click the notification bell to get notified when I post, which is weekly on Thursdays. And click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.